So let us try to solve this. Now let us first look at multiplication of the first term. Okay, so I would get that as, okay, the first term becomes like this. Now let us look at the second term. So this will be sine square theta. Yeah. Now you get the second term like this. Okay.
Yes.
So let us find the next part of it. Okay. Now moving forward, this would be adding it. So I get as cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, this is first, and cos theta sine theta minus sine theta
Sin theta,
cos theta.
cos theta.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
then minus sine theta
Sin theta,
cos theta plus,
cos square theta.
yeah, or sine theta cos theta. Either you can write cos theta sine theta or sine theta cos theta. And the last one, cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, those are the brackets. Okay, okay. So we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So let us put that. So this would be 1, and this cancels out 0, and this is 0, and this is 1. So that is the final result. Now let us solve this. Okay, we have to find x and y for the given problem. Okay, so okay, we get this after saying this. Now let us add it and equate it. So further we add it. So this becomes 2 plus y, okay, and 6 plus 0, which is 6,
6 plus 0,
and 1, and 2x plus 2,
2,
yeah, which is equal to 5,
5,
6,
6,
1, 8.
1, 8.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us find what is x and what is y.
Y.
Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will write that as 2 plus y is equal to 5.
5.
We are corresponding to that. Okay. So comparing the corresponding elements of these two matrices we have. So we get y as 3. Okay. Now let us find what is x. That is 2x plus 2 is equal to 8.
8.
8. And then after that, when you simplify this, so this is 2x is equal to 8 minus 2, which is 6. So x will be 3. So x is 3 and y is also 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir.